Okay, so right now we are going to try to find the Oppidum d'Entremont, which is ancient Roman ruins. And then on the way back, we are going to walk on the Chemin des Pins, I think it's called. So that's the path of the painters. La Sainte-Victoire, le nom de Sainte-Victoire n'est jamais utilisé avant le XVIIe siècle. Avant, il n'est question que de chemin conduisant à Sainte-Aventure, une sainte ignorée de tous les martyrologues. Oppidum d'Entremont. 149 from 2 to 5. It's open. Ah, il y a une marche là. Donc elle a dit ville haute moins 180, ville basse moins 140. C'est ça? So little street there in between the houses, I guess. I'm going to blur this, but this is a dead pigeon, which is it a bad omen? We're in the middle of Roman ruins. Is that a bad sign? That is my mom. Fumoir à viande à 3 foyers et four. Fumoir à viande à 3 foyers et four. Different objects. Pierre de pressoir cassée employée dans un mur. That's this big thing. Tour du rempart de la ville haute avec remploi d'anciennes stèles. Ville haute, ville basse. We are here. Ville haute, quartier le plus ancien. There is something there too. Things around us, but I can already see the most interesting thing around there, the Sainte-Victoire mountain. Very nice. Quantité de feuilles. So nice view from here again. Very nice. So I think that's this whole zone that hasn't been searched. It's highly possible that there are a lot of houses under there, more ruins, because this looks like a wall, like fortifications around a town or something. Il y a un autre pigeon qui a été déplumé là. And now we are going back. So now we are going towards the path of the painters. So we have Sainte-Victoire there. The sky is really dark. A lot of houses on the hills. Terrain des peintres. Terrain des peintres. Bien easy. There's again a view on the Sainte-Victoire mountain. Ah ben voilà! Nice view from here. So we have paintings there basically from the Sainte-Victoire mountain. Imagine le mec s'il avait voulu en profiter pour voir son amante pendant ce temps-là. Il était foutu, hein. Ici, peigné Cézanne. Here, Cézanne painted. Le portail de Cézanne. So that's the gate to the Cézanne workshop, atelier de Cézanne. So we have seen everything we wanted to see today. We are in the city center now. That one is Cathédrale Saint-Sauveur. Little olive trees. And we have nougat, a lot of nougat in there.